Final draft and the Hitchcock unit. Last week you peer-reviewed a classmate's paper and completed the CEA activity. This week you'll finalize your research paper, add a reflection, and complete your works cited page, and we'll also begin the Hitchcock unit. For learning outcomes, you'll apply feedback from classmates and from me, as well as what you learned from the CEA activity to finalize your research paper. You'll learn to identify elements of Hitchcock's style by viewing and evaluating a documentary on Alfred Hitchcock. And you'll understand how to read a film by viewing a brief presentation that explains elements of reading film. For additional materials, I have a works cited checklist here that talks about the heading, source arrangement, and gives you some formatting examples for you to look at. Next, there is a 100-minute documentary called Dial H for Hitchcock, and so you'll want to take a look at that documentary. It's really interesting. Alfred Hitchcock, you'll learn, if you don't already know this, he's kind of the father of suspense, and a lot of the films that even we watch today are influenced by his director style. So I hope you enjoy it. There's a PowerPoint here that explains the different kinds of Hitchcock movies you can watch. And then once you choose a film, this PowerPoint will help you hopefully choose a film. And then once you choose a film, you want to go to the AMC film site homepage and the specific AMC film site Hitchcock search and look for articles related to the film that you watch. And then you can also use the Internet Movie Database page of Alfred Hitchcock as a resource as well. The assignments due this week include your initial post for discussion 7, which is about the Alfred Hitchcock documentary and a discussion of films you might be choosing for this assignment. And then your final argumentative research paper. Of course, all the guidelines are, which you've read before in the past, are right here on this link, so you may want to just review to make sure that you have all the correct source material, make sure you have signal phrases, and that you followed the guidelines. Due Friday, just responses to classmates for the Hitchcock discussion, and the Week 9 checklist has the works cited checklist, Hitchcock documentary, and other Hitchcock resources. And then the assignments are the initial post and response, and then finally that research paper. Next week, we'll, as we wrap up the class, we'll wrap up the Hitchcock unit, and the major assignment due for next week is the Hitchcock evaluation. Hope you have a great week, and I will see you online.